going on, everybody? You know what we're going to talk about today? Windshield wipers. The most overlooked maintenance item on your vehicle. And first I want to say thank you to our sponsors, Raineater wiper blades, for sponsoring this video. They've given me a coupon code that's attached to a link for you to use when you order these for 5% off and free shipping. And we're going to go install these on my Mustang, but first, while I'm driving, I went to like a bunch of car washes and all of them were like busy. It's a beautiful day outside. Yesterday it was raining. It was a perfect day to do this. But so I'll just use my windshield wipers and my washer fluid while I'm driving, so you can see that these wipers that are on here are the OEM ones. I bought this car in December, so that's 4 months, and they don't last very long. Even the ones that you get from, you know, Advanced Auto or whatever don't last very long. But the Raineater wiper blades, they last 60% longer, and they clear the entire windshield, even that little corner over there. So I'm gonna go ahead and spray right quick. See that streaking? You might not be able to see it. See all that it missed? Streaking. It's pretty annoying. It's not cool. So we're gonna go install the Raineater wiper blades, which are in the trunk, and I'll show you those. Packaged very nicely, and they ship fast and free. And we'll show you the difference in OEM and Raineater wiper blades. So stay tuned. So here we have them, Raineater wiper blades. And on the back, it shows you how to put them on. They are universal. My car takes a 22 and a 20. This just pops off. It says pull it up like that. And you gotta get the other one. And it just snaps down in there. Like so. That. Then we're going to pull off B and A. I'm going to use my pocket knife for that one. Go over here. Slide down inside here. That locks up the top. Like that. And as you can see, it actually covers this corner right here a little bit more. I'm gonna take our old wipers here. Throw them in the trunk. Ugh. Along with our trash. So now that they're installed, let's see how they do. Let's see how good they clear the windshield. Oh, nice. No streaking, and it overlaps right here in the corner where the other ones don't. And it got a little bit more of that corner over there. Very, very clear. And then, you know, everybody calls that little shark fin down here in the corner. Looks like it got that too. But like I said, there's a link down in the description. I want to thank Raineater wiper blades for sending me these for my car to test out. And so far, I like them. They're great. Even though they're just cleaning my windshield. Maybe I'll find a car wash later. But there's a washer fluid level low. Maybe I'll go pick up some washer fluid. But what I'm going to do is I'll leave that link down in there with the code that already has the 5% off, and it has free shipping in there for you. You can get them in a pack like I got for driver and passenger side. You can get a single for driver, a single for passenger, and you can even get open box ones. Just click on the link below, it takes you right to it, put in your year, make, and model, and they'll ship them right to you, and that 5% will automatically be deducted from the price. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Raineater wiper blades, they're the bomb. Even just sitting here with my washer fluid, it clears the entire windshield. It's pretty good, man. You need to be able to see. And this is the most neglected maintenance item on your vehicle, besides your air filter. But you never realize you need wiper blades until it's already raining, and then you got to stop at the auto parts store, get you some wiper blades, have them come out and put them on while it's raining. You may be late for work after that. Just go ahead and order you some, install them. They last up to 60% longer. So you don't have to stop at the auto parts store every 2 or 3 months, or when you forget about it and it starts raining. Anyway, click on the link, order you some wiper blades. I do make a small commission on it. They are sponsoring the channel. They did send me these so I could use them, and I like the way they're packaged. I like the way they cover the windshield. They're very easy to install. They're universal. Yeah, go ahead, go click away. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you.